today's video, I'll be going to cook a fried rice.
Wow!
Wherein this is a request of one of my viewer. His name is Killer. Okay, now I have my frozen mixed vegetable. This is what I'll be going to mix on the fried rice. And then, of course, I have the bawang or the garlic. I do not use onion. And I have this one also. Of course, this is a hot dog, bacon and CDO, sabay ganun ano. This is an unpaid promotion. Okay, this one, a hot dog, and of course 2 eggs. Of course, 2 eggs. This is what I'll be going to use for my fried rice. Okay, so hold on guys, I'll be going to prepare all of this. Okay, this is it. To prepare all of this, of course, I'll be going to open the frozen mixed vegetable. I'll be going to get a few of this. Okay, let me open it. I'll be going to pour it right here on my plate. Because I don't want to put so much of this, only portion. Right there you go. Or else I'll be going to put everything, but let me do it first, little by little, and then I'll be going to open this one. Let me get the shell, wrap this one. 2 eggs, okay, right here, and then let me clean this one. Okay, I'll be going to chop this one also, just like this, and then this is my own version of my fried rice. Okay, and I'll be putting right here on the plate. There you go, and then the 3 pieces of garlic. I'm sorry for that. Of course, let's balatan muna natin ito. Let us peel it. And let me chop it in a small part. Okay, that's the way I chop this garlic. Okay, that's enough. Put the garlic right here on the other side. Okay, it's ready right now. So it's ready. This is the ingredients: the egg, the mixed vegetable, the hot dog, and the garlic. Okay, it's ready right now. I'm gonna cook right now the fried rice. Okay guys, this is it. I'll be going to open now the Okay, the stove. Then I'll put some oil. I'm sorry for the sound. There you go. It's sitting right now. I put first the There you go. This is the fried rice I have. I'm going to eat right now my fried rice.